This is Dusty. Just got him yesterday from a couple over on the west end. They were nice enough to give me this one. He's 8-year-old male. This is his first introduction to other birds. I guess he's never been around other birds in his life. He's a little bit spooked right now because when I took him out of the cage, he kind of ate a wall. Not too sure what he's saying here. These are all my 3 originals. He's just chilling. Not quite sure what to make of the situation. He's never seen other birds in his life. There's my Satan bird and glowing eyes. Creepy. Yeah, they're out of here. Hard to believe she's almost 18. Yeah, they're all spooked. We're making introduction. Well, that might not help. Let's turn the light off. That might help a little bit.